Ganda sa pang-vlogging na. Na? Huwag ko naka-video. Dali.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkatao mo?
Ha?
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkatao mo?
Ang masasabi ko, sira ulo ka.
Hindi, yung mga magandang sagot. Sige na. Anong masasabi mo sa pagkatao mo?
Maganda.
Ha?
Bakit may butas yan? Ano masasabi mo? Bakit may butas yan?
Ano? Saan lalabas ang ihi?
Bakit nabuka lang naman yan pag may ihi ah. Ba't nabuka ngayon?
Ay.
Walang ihi.
Tinatanong kita, hindi ka kabalbalan. Tell me about yourself.
Naghahanda ka sa interview.
Sige.
Akala ko ba hindi ka
Tell you
magpapaingkod?
about yourself.
Akala ko ba hindi ka magpapaingkod?
Tell you about yourself.
Tell you.
Tell me about yourself.
Akala ko ba hindi ka muna magpapaingkod?
Tell me about yourself.
Ay! Okay, wala ka pa dyan.
Baby. Baby. What's your name? Come here.
What are you doing?
You here.
No!
You go here. Come here.
You're very noisy. I'm sleeping cat.
And then,
You're very noisy.
so,
Don't you go to my phone?
it's not your.
That's yours, Papa. Not mine.
Yes, it's not yours.
Yes. Goodbye.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No, you noisy cat.
No.
You noisy.
Shh. Don't shout.
You're very noisy.
No, I'm not noisy. Ano masasabi mo?
What?
Ano masasabi mo sa buhay na meron ka ngayon?
Huh?
Something in the mouth.
Baby, what do you want to food?
No.
Tinam.